Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone and welcome to Choice Options, and in this video I'll be sharing you some important news, and at the same time I'll be sharing you one of the most trending topics which everyone is talking about. And one such topic is, what is the best time frame one should trade in. There are people who actually trade in long term, or they make positional tradings, or few people are there who do day trading, and there are few who do scalping. Okay, so all this type of trading requires a different time. Okay, so you can't put your daily charts and do scalping. So here I brought you a video, which can actually help you to choose the best time frame for your trading style. Okay, so there are about six major time frames available in the market, and which are grouped into three broader categories. Okay, so what are these three broader categories? One is long term, next is intermediate term, and third is short term. So when do we call it as a long term? When you actually do positional trading or long term trading. When I say long term, so it could be for about waiting period could be about a few months or a year, or even a few weeks. Okay, weeks, uh, 4 to 5 weeks, or 3 to 4 months, or a year. It could be that, it could be at that scale. And when I talk about intermediate term, so it could be in a week. Like if you have taken a trade, mostly these are all swing tradings. Okay, when I say intermediate term, these are kind of a swing trading. Okay, so you would have to wait for about a week to square off your position, or maybe around 10 days. That's the most likely time scale which we believe, which we do in intermediate term. And the last one is short term. In short term trade, it's more like a day trading, when you actually buy the stocks in the morning and you would have to sell. You are obligated to sell the stocks by the evening. Okay, so that is how short term works. And generally there are people who earn huge chunk of their who have earned huge chunk of their wealth from long term. But you know what, how do you create wealth? Okay, how do you the amount which you have to create for putting it into long-term investments, that amount has to come from somewhere, right? So that somewhere is short-term trading. Okay, when you start doing short-term trading for a while, you accumulate some amount and then you start putting that into long-term trading. That is how your wealth grows. Okay, so have already told you about how long term works, and generally there is one more important thing which I actually forgot to tell you is yearly. When you do long term trading, generally people see yearly charts and monthly charts. So yearly charts, each bar has around 200, and it's a mere approximation. It could be either more or either less. Okay, and it depends on country to country. In our country, it's somewhere between 220 working days. Okay, it could sometime it could be less, or sometime it could be more. And in monthly charts, you have around 20 trading days. Okay, and that's how it works. And when you can see the monthly, when I uh, put a monthly chart over here. Okay, you can see it very clearly that when you the scale that this is Intel Corporation. Okay, from 1997 to 2001, you can see the scale at which a person has to look into the charts for making long-term decisions. Okay, he has to open a yearly chart or a monthly chart. So in this case, I have opened a monthly chart over here. Okay, okay, so this is how one should look. Okay, that should be his perspective when he starts trading in long term. Okay, so next one is intermediate trading. Okay, so what are the charts which are generally applied for intermediate trading is weekly charts. Okay, weekly charts and daily charts. I don't really need to emphasize much on all these charts because I understand that you people are already into stock markets and you have some bit of knowledge. If you don't have, you are very beginner, or nowadays what people call it as noob. Okay, if you are very beginner, then obviously I think you should go to my previous videos where I have explained all these terms in a much better way. Okay, so you would be able to understand a lot of things in my previous videos. Go and check over there. Okay, so and we can see the weekly charts over here. So there is nothing okay, so there is nothing very peculiar in it. You can see it, it's a monthly, so it's a weekly chart, you can see it very clearly. And it's a daily chart. There's and you can see the levels, how the price actually obeys the levels which I have drawn. You can see it over here, that is 20 moving average and 40 moving average. So daily charts are the best when you actually do short term trading. Okay, and obviously when short term it is 15 minutes and 5 minutes, and hourly charts are the best when you do short term trading. Okay, so and you can see the hourly chart over here, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. And in the further videos I'm going to put part videos, I mean every day I'll be putting short videos every day. And in the very next video which will be coming, I will be showing you live, like how you have to choose when you are actually I mean in front of your system, and you are you have the hope that you will be choosing the best stocks, and you don't really know much of the technical stuff, and you don't really understand which charts to be seen, whether it's a yearly chart, whether it's a monthly chart. I'll pick some stocks for you and I will show it to you in live. Okay, like how you can work on it and how you will be able to make better decisions. Okay, so when you combine all, I mean when you start combining 2 to 3 charts, it will make you the best, you will be able to make the best decisions of your life. Okay, so you will never regret when you start looking at more than 2 to 3 time frames. Okay, that is how market, that is how you should move on. Okay, so that's all for this video. And the next video will be coming soon, maybe tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much guys.